Welcome to NM Serena. In this video, we are going to discuss about the BSE or the Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay Stock Exchange or the BSE was established in the year 1875 as a voluntary non-profit making association. It facilitated the development of the Indian economy by providing a platform to the companies for raising their capital. The companies through the BSE can raise capital by trading in the equity market, derivatives, debts, etc. It is located at Mumbai, and the BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It is also ranked among the top 10 of the stock exchanges worldwide. It is an efficient and transparent market that trade in equity, currency, debt instruments, derivatives, and also mutual funds. And let us see the vision of the Bombay Stock Exchange. The vision is to emerge as the premier Indian stock exchange with a best-in-class global practice in technology, product innovation, and customer service. And now let us discuss the objectives of the BSc. The first and the most important objective is to safeguard the interest of the investing public, and then to ensure just honest practices in securities transactions, and also to promote, develop, and maintain well-regulated market in securities. In addition to that, to promote the industrial development in the country on the whole. The day-to-day working and operations of the Bombay Stock Exchange is managed by the Board of Directors consisting of Chairman, Managing Director, Public Interest Directors, and Shareholder Director. The board jointly formulate the policies of the Bombay Stock Exchange and takes a decision relating to the trading of securities like equity, derivatives, etc. that affect the trading of the capital markets in India through the BSE. Managing Director of the Bombay Stock Exchange acts as the administrative head who looks after the working of all the departments of the exchange, and all the requisite officers appointed are accountable to him. These officers include the Chief Executive Officer, that is the Managing Director itself, and then the Chief Business Officer, Chief Regulatory Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief of Business Operations, Chief of Trading Operations and Listing Sales, and the Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. The Managing Director, being the hierarchical head in the management, is also responsible for delegation of work to the other officers and is one of the key managerial personnel responsible for taking major and important decisions affecting the working of the Bombay Stock Exchange. The Chief Business Officer is responsible for the administrative, financial, and the current operating business of the stock exchange. The Chief Regulatory Officer head the department which is responsible for the secretarial operations, whereby dealing with the regulatory compliances of the stock exchange. And the Chief Financial Officer is responsible for the day-to-day financial operations of the stock exchange. And the Chief Information Officer appointed is to cater and facilitate the information to the investors, industry practitioners, academicians, etc. The BSE Group companies include Marketplace Technologies, BSE Institute, Central Depository Services Limited or the CDSL, Indian Clearing Corporation Limited or the ICCL, India International Exchange IFSC Limited or India INX, India International Clearing Corporation IFSC Limited, India ICC. Now that we have got a picture of the Bombay Stock Exchange of India, we are ending this video lecture here. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel.